Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to do a really cute braid in the ponytail with these hair elastics. So what we've done is we've put them into a repeating pattern.
Yellow, pink, green, purple, orange.
Yep.
Yellow, purple, green, purple, orange.
And I'm going to get her to pass them to me as we go. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to section off the ponytail in half. Just keep that bit to the side. So I'm going to section the hair into 3 pieces. I'm going to try and make sure all the pieces are equal. Can I have that first band, thank you. I'm going to put this band through this piece of hair, like so. Leave that there. I'm going to go over the middle, take the next band. Thank you very much. And then put this piece of hair over the middle. Another band now, please. Thank you. Next one, please. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to split the hair into 3 again on this side. And before I cross over, I'm going to take this band. I'm going to put the hair through it and then go over and over. I'm going to take this band, put this hair through it, go over and over. I'm going to tie it off at the bottom. There we go. So I love the way, get those stitches all the way through.
Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you like it, please subscribe and comment.
If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, please click up here on our little logo, and then you'll have our tutorials emailed directly to your inbox every time we make a new one. So until then, please give us a big thumbs up, leave us a comment. We'd love to know if you like this style. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you soon. Bye!
Bye!